Hello everyone. Today, I want to introduce our new kitchen line called Elementi. Elementi is pure essence and its name resumes its design contents. Elementi is the ultimate expression of the minimalist style, the product of Snaidero research and development addressing the natural essence of shapes. The natural elements are represented by the four main materials: stone, glass, aluminum, and wood. Elementi allows the creation of monolithic volumes, enriched by utterly unique materials and a distinctive sign. The sign of water wearing away rock, a cut into the stone, a light blade in the dark. One of the peculiarities of Elementi is the doors opening system, which provides functional and aesthetic distinctive solutions for the kitchen space. The Elementi concept conveys the idea of a neat and essential arrangement, besides a relaxing feeling, free from the bondage of shapes and materials. If you would like to learn more about our Elementi kitchen design, contact us today at Snaidero Houston. You will be surprised by the infinite customization possibilities of Elementi. Thanks and see you in our next video.